Hi there. This is Dan Hegwer coming at you from Wyman and Hegwer. Just wanted to give you a little brief description about who I am and what our office is and what we do for our clients. Just as a quick little thing, though, I want to let you know that I grew up in California. I'm a Salinas resident from when I was a kid until about 18 or 19 or so. Went to San Jose State. And then after college, I worked for a couple of U.S. congressmen doing district outreach as well as helping clients who had problems with the federal government, whether it's Social Security, health care, Veterans Administration, whatever their issue was, helped out with that. As a kid growing up in Salinas, both my parents were teachers, working in the community, and from that, I gained a strong desire to help people just growing up through Salinas. Ended up attending San Jose State, as I said, and then went to Chicago, Illinois for law school at the John Marshall Law School in downtown Chicago. While there, I worked in the public defender's office for a couple of years as an intern, working on a couple of murder cases, then went on to work at the Cook County Workers' Compensation Administrative offices, where I really started getting my feet wet in workers' compensation. And then my third year of law school, worked as a judicial extern in the Law and Motion Department. Basically, lots and lots of hearings, lots and lots of depositions, lots and lots of settlement conferences. When I came back to California in 2005, I really didn't know what to do, so I dabbled in criminal law, did a little bit of family and divorce, and also worked for insurance companies for about 3 years, where I worked on large personal injury cases in the asbestos arena. What I realized from that was none of those were really a good fit for me. And so, just by coincidence, one year I'm at a Thanksgiving holiday party of all places, and I get tucked into this corner with this, gentleman who's also an attorney, and found out that he did workers' compensation. He and I ended up talking for about 3 or 4 hours together that night, and month or two later, he ended up offering me a job, which I ended up taking, and that was my path into workers' compensation, and started off right off from there. And that was, God, I don't even remember how long ago, 10, 12, 15 years ago at this point in time, and I've never looked back since then. In 2012, I opened up my own firm, Law Offices of Daniel Hegwer, and went from there and joined a partner, Rob Wyman, a couple of years ago. And Rob and I, have been combined serving workers who have been injured for about 30, 35 years at this point in time. Total experience between the two of us might actually be a little bit more at this point. One of the things I realized growing up as a kid and through all the years of practicing in different areas is that I really enjoy getting to learn my clients' stories, learning about who they are, figuring out, how best I can help them through their workers' compensation process and their injuries that they may have had at work. If you have any questions, certainly reach out to the office through the link below about any workers' compensation case or injury that you may have had at work, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks and have a great day.